All right, guys, so the next step in this course is to start talking about content marketing and how that fits in with paid traffic. Because depending on the temperature of your traffic, you're going to send people to different parts of your website, right? And you want to make sure that that's congruent based off of how well they know you. So I'm really excited to introduce one of my best friends, absolute expert in content marketing, Russ Henneberry.
What's up, everybody? Russ Henneberry here, Director of Editorial at Digital Marketer, and I'm excited to jump in here and talk to you about the role of content marketing in your paid traffic strategy. So remember that the role of marketing is to move prospects and customers seamlessly and subtly through each stage of the value journey. So when we look at this value journey that Molly's been sharing with you, all the way through from awareness, through engagement, subscription, conversion, excitement, ascension, all the way around to creating promoters of your brand, your products, your services, all these things. You could see a lot of stages along here where you're going to need content. So up here in the awareness stage, prospect sees an ad or hears about you via referral, and then immediately you're already in need of some content there because you're in the engagement stage. You might need something that like a blog post or a video or a podcast or something that's going to get people excited and get them engaged. And then you get around to subscription. Prospect opts in to get gated content. So a lot of times at the subscription stage, you're going to need some content. So what we're going to be doing in this small part of the class, is going to be looking at the different places that you're going to need content as you move through and create your traffic strategy. So as you can see here, just about every place that you look, there's at least a possibility where you're going to need some content, and I'm going to help you work through some of that. So where are we going to be focusing our time in this next few videos is in the engagement stage here, in the subscription stage. This is really, this whole sort of turn, in the customer journey canvas is an important place to focus your efforts in terms of your content, because this is where you are generating new leads and new buyers. And so I'm going to be talking to you a lot about this sort of left turn in the customer journey map and the different types of content you can use there. And then I'm also going to be going into detail about the ascension stage and the types of content that can work there. So if you go back and you look at your cold and your warm and your hot, right? So it's important that you have all three sort of working together. And so again, if I put my stars back out here as to where we're going to spend our time, you can see that right in that turn right there, we're going to get into that cold warm, which is a really critical sort of transition. You want to be able to easily and predictably move people from cold to warm. And then we're going to be talking about, again, that hot traffic up there in the ascension stage, selling people more of the same thing, selling them new things, selling them things more frequently, right? So the ascension stage being such an important part of the value journey that you create a system by which you are able to sell people more things because they are just literally getting that much value from you. So that's how this all works, is if you can create the offers and the content along this journey that create so much value in your customers' lives that they just literally want to continue to do business with you, then your traffic, creates that road, as Molly talked about in this class, that road to get them to those offers and to that content. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. So in the next video, I'm going to start going through the types of content and the things you need to be thinking about when you want to create content that engages cold audiences and generates leads. We'll see you there.